Hey you guys, welcome back. So today's video I am going to open up this Boss and Bay subscription box that came to me. This is actually my third time opening. Is it my third? I think it's my third. I was gonna say third or fourth, but this is my third box that I have received from them, and I absolutely love it. It is a subscription box company that was created for women of color, and I just think this box is absolutely amazing. It was needed in our community, and I think it's really nice. They always send products that I'm kind of shocked at, like, wow, I didn't even know. And what I do like about this company is they take products from other small business people that are creating their own stuff, and they put it in this box. So if you're not really just supporting this one company, which is Boss and Bay, she actually helps to support other small business women with their products as well, and they're all women of color. So if you are looking for a box to get into, this would definitely be the one. So they do offer two size boxes. The first one is the standard box that comes with around 5 to 8 full-size products in the box, and you get all kinds of different things in there. And then they also have, what is it called, the shorty box, which is like a mini box, and it has, I think, 3 to 4 items in that box. The full size box is $49 a month plus $7 flat rate shipping, and the mini box is $29.99 with $6 flat rate shipping. They don't have any contracts that you have to sign up with, and you can cancel at any time. That is definitely a good thing. And their boxes ship the first week of the month, so that's pretty cool. Also, if you are going to sign up, check down in the description box, because I have a discount code for you to get your first box. I think it's 15% off, and that way you can try it out for yourself and, you know, give this company some support. So I'm not going to keep running my mouth. I want to get this open. I've already cut the tape, and I'm super excited. So when I open it up, it has the black paper with a pink little heart sticker, which is super cute, and I have to tear that. And let's see. Oh, okay. So the first thing that I see says January, and it has some cute heels on it, and it tells you about the products that you get in here and what they retail for and everything. So I'll tell you that as we go. Okay, so the first thing I see is this fold over clutch. It says Hello Sunshine by C.R. Gibson. Look at those colors. That is so pretty. I love that. And it's a little clutch that you can carry with you if you just want to, you know, have something to take with you, maybe going out in the evening or for dinner or something, and you don't want to carry a full purse. Look at that orange and that pink. Oh my goodness. And you just want to carry it with you and hold it. It folds over. It has a cute little tassel with the little gold hardware, and you just open it, and the inside is pink as well. Super cute. And it's big like that, but then it folds over so you can carry it with you. So this is in there, and this retails for, okay, C.R. Gibson pink and orange. This retails for $16, and this is super cute. It says it's a leatherette fold over case. I'm really liking this. I think this is so pretty, and I will definitely be using that. The next thing I see are these, I don't want to say it wrong, but it looks like Babu, B-A-B-O, Babu Botanicals Hydrating and Soothing 3-in-1 face, hand, and body cleansing wipes in cucumber and aloe vera. And these are 99% natural. I've never heard of them. Let me get this open. Oh, they smell good. They smell like cucumber. So there is, what did I say, 30 wipes in here, and I've never heard of them. I'm excited to try these. And it says pure and clean plant-based wipes that gently cleanse the face, hands, and body without rinsing. These retail for $7.49. The next thing I pulled out are these 3 brushes by Crown, and I recently found a love for crown brushes. I really like them. They're really, really nice to apply makeup. And so to get another 3, I'm very, very happy. And they're so cute. They're white with the pink bristles at the top. And so I'm very, very happy with that. This set retails for $29.99. It says baby soft, beautiful ombre, white and pink. The small brush is a concealer brush, the medium highlights, and the large is a powder brush. Can be used for blush or setting everything in place. So those are the 3 brushes that I got in this box. Next, I pulled this out. I'm not too sure what it is. I want to get it open and see. So I pulled this out and it looks like it is a tassel with a pom-pom. Look at that. I am loving the colors, this burgundy or hot pink with this turquoise. And it has the string that you can tie this up anywhere that you want. And it just looks like it's a tassel. Let's see what this is. So this is by a company called The Greenish Shop. And it's a red and turquoise pom-pom tassel that retails for $7.99. It says add a little pop of color to your purse, wallet, journal, gym bag, backpack, or wherever you want to be popping. That is so cute. This would be real cute hanging off my backpack or somewhere. I'm not too sure where I'm going to put this at, but I really like it, and I like the fluffy pom-pom on this. And that's exactly what I mean. When you get these subscription boxes, you get products that you may have never even seen or heard of, and that's why it's really nice to give it a try. Then I see a book, and I got a book in one of the other boxes that they sent me, and it was about eyebrows, and I'm very happy they sent that. So this one is the 4 Agreements. It's a wisdom book, and I really, really need to read this right now. Yeah, I've been getting into some stuff. I'll explain in a different video. But this is a practical guide to personal freedom, and this retails for $12.95 on the New York Times bestseller list for over 8 years. Based on ancient Toltec wisdom, it offers powerful code of conduct that can rapidly transform our lives to a new experience of freedom, true happiness, or love. I can't wait to get into this and read it. I'm very happy with this. I see 2 more things in here. This came in some bubble wrap, so I'm gonna get this open and let's see what this is. I see it says Bella on the front. Oh, this is a blush by Juvia's palette. Oh my goodness. I swear, let me cut this open. The box is taped shut, but I'm using my baby's cat in the hat scissors. Let me see. I was recently just looking at Juvia's place, the new blushes and highlighters and stuff that they had put on their site, and I was actually considering it. So for me to get this, I'm super excited. Let's see. I really like Juvia's place. Her stuff is really pigmented and pretty. So this is the color that I got, and I think this is a perfect match. This kind of looks like a color that I already used. The bottom part right here is a mirror, but that is the color that was sent to me, and I'm very, very happy with this. Oh my goodness. And this retails, and this color was called Bella. This one retails for $10. It says a beautiful deep shade of coral that complements all skin tones from the new collection from Juvia's place. So I'm very, very happy with this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, and so the last thing I see is something in this bag or satchel, and it says LVL Collective. So let me get this open. Okay, so I got it open, and let's see what this is. Oh, it kind of looks like some kind of a sage or something that you burn. Let's see, where is this at? So basically this whole set is called a ritual kit, and it retails for $15, and it says protect your energy in this is what it says: protect your energy in 2019, sis. Like, get it right. The protection kit includes a cedar smudge stick to clear negative energy. And when I said I I needed that book right now. I have literally really just recently started getting into this type of stuff. And what are these? I'm trying to pull this out. I've been using Palo Santo wood to burn in the house and everything. So there's 3 things in here, and I'll show you. Let's see. Okay, it says the protection kit includes a cedar smudge stick to clear away negative energy. I think, is this the cedar smudge stick? It has to be. It has to be, because I know what Palo Santo is, and that's this. And this is to raise your vibration when you burn this in your home, which I already know that because I have some already. And then the selenite to clear blocked energy. And I want to say that that's what this is. I'm still learning like all the crystals and all of that stuff. I know sage and Palo Santo and rose quartz. Like, I know a few things, but these 2 I'm new at. But I'm very, very happy that I got these, because I'm very happy. And I love whatever this is. It's really nice. It feels so good in my hand, and I'm loving that. So let me see, shop LVL. So I'll definitely be looking at their site to look at more of their products. But for this Palo Santo and this was a kit for $15, and I'm very, very, very happy with that. And it has the 3 little cards in there as well to tell you what all the products was. So that is everything inside of my Boss and Bae box. Like I said, you guys, if you are looking for a company to support, then check them out. I urge you to check them out, because at this time, that is what we need, is to support small businesses so that they can grow to be big like these big companies. Without our support, they'll never make it. So thank you, Boss and Bae, for sending me this box. I truly appreciate it. I love all of the products. And for everybody else, don't forget to check the description box for my discount code. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are all having a happy new year, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.